My daughter-in-law is making. How are you?
Mama, what's the meaning of that?
Are you not Eziafa, Ugodia's daughter? My son, Tenkobo, has told me a lot about you.
See, Mama, I don't want to insult anyone, but please, don't you ever call me your daughter-in-law again.
Yeah.
Tenkobo will never marry me. It will never work.
My daughter, I am Tenkobo's mother. Have you any problems with him? Eh?
As you can see, I'm on my way to visit a friend. So please.
Hey. This guy is so rude. Eh? What's our problem? I think I'll talk to my son. Tenkobo must hear this. She's so wild.
Wait. You try to tell me that Ike embarrassed you because of ordinary 5,000 naira.
Just 5,000 naira.
That makes no sense.
See, you know what, the embarrassment is not even here. Publicly, this guy owed me as if 5,000 naira means his whole life.
5,000 naira. Come on. Ordinary 5,000 naira.
Come on.
And the way I am seeing that 5,000 naira, I am sure that 5,000 naira is not 2021 model.
No, whether 2021 or 2020, 5,000 is naira. It's still money now. We should be talking about when you give me the money. So
don't worry yourself. I am going to give you that money very soon to pay him back. Can you help here?
Okay, yeah, thank you. But how soon? Let me know. Is it this evening or as you are leaving now? Because I promised that guy that I will bring the money today. Is it this evening or as you are leaving? Let me follow you.
That one is going to. The thing is that I'm going to give you the money, but how soon? That's the time is what I don't know. But what I know is that I will surely give it to you to give to him.
But you said soon, very soon.
Yes, I said soon now, but you are trying to now make me be specific.
No, you need to. No, for you to open your mouth and say you will give me very soon, it means say how that is soon now.
But why would that one embarrass you because of 5,000 naira? That one is even the way I'm angry now. If I transfer this anger on top of that boy, how will he? Why would he embarrass you
He did not embarrass you. He embarrassed me. Exactly. So the only way you can help me is by telling me how soon you give me the money. I need to give him back so that he not embarrass me.
The thing is that I'm angry. What will he meet you on the road and begin to embarrass you?
Use that your anger and tell me to come now and take the money. Use that anger and give me the money. In fact, be angry and give me the money now. Because
it's just that I'm just. But what will he do? Don't he know that? Don't he know you?
Take up. I will not be here. I wouldn't be asking you for giving me more back the money. Go on and you get my girlfriend. Did I ask you to? That's why I'm. What? Don't. So, what did she say?
It's like she wants to see me. She said that I should come and she wants to see me.
Now.
I'm telling you.
The girl,
I'm sure she's missing me.
No, she's missing you. But before you go, just try and give me that money I borrowed. I borrowed from Ike, the one I gave you.
I told you I will give you the money very soon. Now my fear is I don't know the road that I'm going to pass. Now let me know go and meet Ike on the road. Two embarrassment over 1,000, 5,000 naira will not be a good idea. So you have received the embarrassment on our behalf. So me receiving another embarrassment again because of 5,000 naira will not be good.
You mean you are not going to give me the money today?
I will give you the money to give to Ike over one embarrassment. If Ike gives me embarrassment, now it becomes two and it won't be healthy.
But you are going to see your love.
It's like she's missing me.
I wish I love Stella. I wish I love Stella the way you love. Are you leaving now?
I'm not leaving now. I'm going now.
Are you going now?
Yes. I can't leave now.
Why don't wait? Let her call again so that you be sure that she like you and she's missing you.
You be like say jealousy, don't worry.
We stop.
Let me go. Jare, which kind jealousy? If you see my engineer yourself, you know that engineer loves me. What are you saying? Well, if you give me that
You are still reading. How are you? So this is in here.
I'll take it too.
Where is your brother? Tenko.
Since you went to the first house or Oba's house, I went.
No. I saw her on the way. That mannerless girl.
Mom.
I just saw her on the road.
Mom, what do you mean?
Give me water to drink, my daughter. I'm thirsty, please.
Okay.
Hey.
My love, what is it?
What did you tell your mother?
Did you do this? Did you did this? Didn't you do this to test the kind of man that I am? My love, did you touch fufu? Your hand is smelling fufu. Please, next time if you want to eat fufu, if there's not enough water to wash your hand, try to use a hand glove. So when you're done eating, you're up here.
See, Tenkobo, I'm not joking with you. What did you tell your mother that gave her the right to embarrass me on the road?
Ewo.
What?
Ewo. Tenkobo, what did you tell your mom? My lord, you know I talk a lot. You know that is, I can say 1,000 things in a minute. I cannot even remember the one in particular. Please, can you remind me this particular one that you're talking about? Let me know when I said it and how I said it and where I said it.
Did you tell your mother that I'm your wife?
Okay, that one. Yes. I told my mother that you are my. But when I told her, I want my mother never to allow any other ear hear it. You know how my mother can talk. Her tongue always flip. So I think one or two things might have happened. My mother went and vomited it somewhere. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive my mother. Forgive her excesses.
Did we agree before telling your mom?
Okay, no, we did not agree actually. But I agreed on your agreement, and then I agreed on your behalf, which was the agreement in an unanimous, so that I had to go and tell my mother that we have agreed the agreement, that we make our own agreement to concur in accordance with what we have agreed. So it is my agreement on top of your own agreement. I'm sorry, please forgive.
I think I'm done with you. I am leaving you alone. I'm no longer continuing this relationship. It is over between the two of us.
You said?
It is over!
Who planned over? Who played it over? Do you know the only over I know is when referee do over the bar? Wait, are you trying to? Do you want me to die? No. Okay, if I let me assume you're joking, let it not be like you're serious. You want me to die? Telling me it is over. How? My love, you know you cannot do a thing like this. Telling me it's over is tantamount to signing my death. In fact, that is my death warrant that you just gave to me. Okay, no, let me assume that you were joking when you said. In fact, it was a joke. Wait, my love, is that how you behave?
See,
I'm sorry, please.
Senkobo, when you are done, use the door.
Which door? My love, which door am I going to use? Which of the door? You can't do this to me now. Yeah, Mama, come out here.
Come on, my son.
Come out here.
What's the problem? Why are you shouting? Any problem?
Me, why am I shouting?
Yes.
Any problem?
Yes.
Mama, why am I shouting? Any problem? Let me ask you, what have I done wrong to you to deserve this thing you did?
Who said so?
Who said so? Mama, you saw my woman, a girl I want to marry. You embarrassed her without minding. And you're asking me who said so or what did you do? Mama, let me tell you. You see that girl? If I don't marry that girl, if I did not marry that girl, if I don't marry her, in fact, I will never forgive you.
Think about my son. If you want to marry, go and look for a wife and not that raw girl. She is very rude.
So it is true.
Yes.
So it is true. Number why? Number why? I'm asking you.
Go and look for a wife, another person.
I should go and look for a wife. Yes. Let me tell you, Mama. You see that girl? That girl loves me from her heart. She loves me with all her heart. She cannot joke with me. That girl cannot eat her food without me. Serve her food, any kind of food. She must have me there before she can eat.
But she's not for this family. Please.
She's not for this family?
Yes.
Mama, that girl is not for this family. Let me tell you, that girl is going to come to this house.
What has she given you?
What has she given you?
Yes.
She gave me love. Mama, if you don't want that girl to come to this house, then you have to go to your own father's house. Because this house was built by my own father. So if you want that girl not to come here, you go to your own father's house.
What did she give you?
She gave me love. She gave me hunanya. And I have hunanya on her.
But it will never happen in this very family.
What is it? You look worried.
Ada, I'm dying. As I'm talking to you now, something is about to spoil. Something is about to go wrong now.
Just calm down, calm down. What is the problem?
Ezafa looked at me and said that it's over between us. I don't even know where to put head now. It's like I'm going to die. Adora, please, I want you to help me and do something.
Thinkable. It's high time you let her be.
Ada?
See, Ezafa does not love you.
That means you want me to die. And let me tell you, if I die, my blood is going to be on your hand. Honestly speaking, my blood is going to be on your hand, Adora.
So what do you want me to do?
I want you to follow me to go and beg. You're the only person she can listen to. Please follow me. Go and beg her on my behalf so that she can revive this thing she said. Biko, I'm begging you.
It's fine. Let's go. We'll see what I can do.
Thank you very much. What I will do for you if you do this thing for me, you know.
Please, consider him. Consider, forgive him. Me like him are rare to find though. Biko.
Adora, you needed to see how his mother embarrassed me on the road. Tenkobo, it's over between us.
Ese. Don't even try it. He's going to die, you. If he dies, all the community will be against you. In this world, everybody deserves a second chance. Because of me, forgive him.
I'm doing this because of you. Come on. Come here. Get up. Come.
Thank you very much for forgiving me.
You should be thanking Adora. It's because of her I'm forgiving you.
Ada, God bless you. Thank you very much. Amen. In fact, God is going to replenish your pockets. Amen. God is going to bless you abundantly. Amen. God is going to give you a good husband. Amen. God is going to give you a husband from Obodo Yibo. God is going to make sure that your children are going to be as your children are going to be.
Amen.
Amen. I need some money for new clothes. Yes.
Okay, no worry. Tomorrow you will get it. Like how much?
Say like 10,000.
That's okay. Tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Should I wait or should I go?
Look, Ezeafa, the way you maltreat Tenkobo is not good.
Adora, is Tenkobo your brother?
You don't have any other thing to tell you.
Is it wrong for a guy to spend money on his girlfriend?
Ezeafa does not love Tenkobo. Not even a bit.
My sister, the problem there is Tenkobo is very stubborn. He said he must marry Ezeafa.
Okay. That one is mission impossible. The Ezeafa I know has another guy. She's just using Tenkobo's money to refresh herself. Can't you see how she's looking?
My sister, let's say another thing. Amanda, has she gone back to her husband's house?
For where? Eh? No, she says she's done with the marriage. That's another problem.
What more? Who made her took such a drastic decision?
How will I know? In fact, she will soon be here. Just keep calm. Let her come. I believe she will be in the right position to answer this your question.
This is
Don't mind me. I even forgot to give you a cola.
Don't worry. I'll serve myself. It's not a stress.
Enjoy yourself.
Adam.
Good morning.
Good morning, though.
This one you came. I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well, though. All is well. I actually came to thank you for helping me in talking with, talking to my Ezeafa.
Thank you, bro. Must you stress yourself? You're making me feel guilty.
Guilty? How?
I feel guilty for allowing you wallow in bondage.
Well, I wouldn't want to discuss my Ezeafa with any other person. Please, don't spoil my mood now.
Thank you, Bo. I will not relent saying the truth despite it's bitter. You and Ezeafa do not have future. I don't see the both of you in the nearest future. So it's better you move on.
Adora. Did I come to this place for you to spoil my mood? I came to this place to come and thank you for what you did for me. Only for you to change the situation. Now you want to spoil my mood. Owashi? It's alright, no problem. Thank you very much for trying to spoil my mood. God bless you, don't mention.
Have a nice day.
Tenkobo.
Mama, good morning.
Tenkobo. What did you tell your sister yesterday?
Is that the new pattern of answering greeting? What did she tell you I said?
Brother, you say you're going to sell me and use the money to marry Ezeafa.
Did you say that or not?
Is that a bad thing? No, it's even good now she brought it out. But look at this. This your daughter here who is knocking on the menopause door. She's knocking boy on menopause door. Tell this girl to go and marry. By this time tomorrow, if I see this girl here, I'm going to sell her out. My problem now is that I'm even having problem with customers who are going to buy her if they are going to pay me enough money.
Tenkobo, are you insane?
No, I'm in the house.
My son, let me tell you the truth. You are just fooling yourself with that stupid girl.
I'm just fooling myself with that stupid girl.
Yes.
Mama, stop accusing an innocent girl. Stop accusing an innocent girl. A girl who has been lavishing her love on me. You are accusing her unnecessarily.
Lavishing her love on you?
Okay, Mama.
Tenkobo.
Are we sharing the girl's love?
Your name is sorry.
No more Tenkobo.
Your name is sorry.
No more Tenkobo.
You are killing yourself gradually.
I know your plans, the both of you. I know the plans people are coming with. You people don't want me to get a plan. The plan is that you people don't want me to get married. You don't want me. You want me to continue remaining single, so that I will continue taking care of you. But let me tell you, your plans has failed. Your plans have failed.
You are feeding who?
Mama, don't
you
I feed
feeding
you?
Who?
Don't I feed you?
My son, whoever you think that you are feeding is growing by him or herself. Not you feeding him.
Seriously, but let me tell you. Ezeafa you're even talking about does not even love you. I'm a girl. I know when a girl
doesn't know.
I know when a girl loves, when she's showing true love. I know. But you need to cue in what is on board now. Girls spend on their girlfriend, not...
Hey!
The truth is gradually surfacing. Truth is gradually coming out. So this is what we've been doing. Look at you. This is what we've been doing. You take our money, go and give to that wretched idiot of yours that you call him boyfriend. I told you, stop friending that boy that is doing organizer. Go and change the boyfriend. Under my bank again, Choba. You are still dating a boy who is doing organizer. The last time I pursued you from the carpenter boy. Now come, are you from Pan to fire or what?
Mama.
No wonder. Everybody faces more place in this house.
Mama, don't mind him.
What brother? Brother, you're pushing me.
Sit down.
Pushing me.
I'm pushing you.
Mind your words.
I'm pushing you.
Mind your words.
One brother.
That's me, brother.
Okay.
I'm pushing you. I'm even
talking to him again.
I'm even talking. You're telling Mama one brother.
Don't talk to him again.
That's more. You're going to see the real pushing now.
Come. Listen to me. Did you do that or not? Take over.
Mama, open my shoe. I thought she's a baby.
Take over.
You're
fighting me. Take over. You're fighting me.
Mama, I can't fight this battle alone. Let me go and consult my God.
Amanda, are you seeing what I'm saying? My sister, I'm as short as you are. I'm scared. What is going on? I'm scared. What is going on? The cloud is changing and I'm scared. Something is wrong. See, let me go to Ba's house now. Let me go and find out what is going on. Okay.
Igwekal, what could actually be the cause of this? For the past 3 hours, this has been happening. This is the significance of what my father told me when Akpaka, the son of the gods, was angry. What could actually be the cause of this? What could be the cause?
What's the meaning of this nonsense?
Your father, your mother, your brother, Chileke Pogon.
Come and remove this thing before I get mad with you.
I am not going to. In fact, Ezefa, you are more. You're the worst thing that has ever happened to me. I am not going to remove this thing until you are able. In fact, anybody who tries to remove this thing, that person is going to die, and I will not remove it. And if you try to remove it, you will go. In fact, you're going to die. That you are diest. Your mother is going to die. That you are diest. Your family is going to die. That you are diest. Everybody will die. You think I'm talking with you or what?
You are very stupid. You are very, very stupid. Remove this thing before my mom comes in and says this behind you. That's your friend though. Tell him to remove this nonsense. What's the meaning of this now?
That is if your mom is still alive.
Oh, your mother is inside. Let her come outside and see us.
Imagine,
we are not joking. Your mother should come outside and see what is going on here.
Look at it.
We are not joking.
Anytime I come here, now I don't want chicken. I didn't know it was. You want a problem? You want a problem? And I don't want chicken. I'm not going to don't worry. Let me tell you, Ezefa, you are wicked more than Jezebel.
Very wicked.
And I'm telling you now, you are going to give me everything that I've spent on you. All the money that I gave to you.
Hey.
Ezefa, you're going to return it now. If you don't give me my money, you can hush anya. Of course. You think I'm joking?
Yes.
You think I am joking, Ezefa? Because I was playing with you, trying to see her. You thought I was a fool. But let me tell you, everyone go there. Obiele, it will not happen again. Give me my receipt also. And remember, tell her that anybody that will venture to touch this thing will die. That person is going to, in fact, let me tell you, any attempt to remove this thing now, first of all, you will lose your period. Period, that's you no longer see your period again until you are 93 years old.
I reject it. I reject it. I reject it. It will not work.
Okay, no problem. And don't even try to call anybody. The gods will never allow anybody to come and touch it.
Okay now, it's okay. Now, what's the solution?
Okay.
Just tell me, let's stop this once and for all.
Oh, you know this, so you want to know the solution?
Yes.
The solution, good. On one condition, and that condition is accepting graciously to marry Tenkobo as a Thank you. Thank you very much.
To fear, I reject it. Let it be an abomination that I should marry this guy, Tenkobo.
Look at you. Look at how Mariko. You don't know that you are a deity. I'm your chief priest. Or what idea? You are a deity. Oh, you are a shit. Because I was serving you as a deity. You thought you are the goddess. But let me tell you what you don't do. Any trial or attempt or this to try to nah. Oh! Hey, what do you do to me?
Remove this thing now. Remove it. Ma!
Come and take your feeling bottle. No, come
You know it's not good to put palm fronds in someone's house. Please, be one.
First of all, I am not your son. I am not your son. If you want to address me as your son-in-law. Now let me tell you. Tell your daughter here, Eziafa. Tell Eziafa, your daughter, to agree to marry me, or Eziafa should return every money that I spent on her. That's the remedy.
What insolence. But by the way, you know the implication behind keeping your fellow citizen on hostage? More or less, house arrest. This is tsunami, I can't take it. No!
Who did this to you? Who is talking small dog? Let me tell you, I have chain that will size you. Do you know what you are talking, Mugu? Imagine.
Tenkobo, marriage, is it by force?
Of course, it is not by force. I am not forcing her to marry me. It is her choice, either to marry me or not. Now, what you are going to tell her is either she marry me or refund all the money that I spent to her, all the clothes I bought for her, all the earring I bought for her, all the bag that I bought for her. This clothes she's wearing, I bought it. So let her refund me everything that I bought for her and go. Simple.
Tenkobo, listen. Read my lips. I will never marry you. Haba. For the monies.
I should read your lips.
Yes.
As a billboard. Mba. I should read your lips as book of life. Let me tell you. Mama, I hope you heard what your daughter said. I hope you know the implication of somebody going to touch Omo that's been placed by another person. You know the implication. So if she doesn't have fear, let her touch the Omo and face the consequence.
Because Tenkobo, please.
Mama, we are saying this because people don't know who Tenkobo is. But I know him very well. Your daughter here. You have no idea who you are dealing with. Tenkobo is the only son of the gods. And if Tenkobo is angry now, thunder will come and strike somebody. Just speak on. Tenkobo, he's the son of the gods. Right on. If Tenkobo is angry now, this house will start falling. Everyone will scatter. You think
Look at Tenkobo. If you like, be the gods yourself. I will not marry you. As for the monies, bygone. Oh, here, Garaga.
Did she laugh? Even do you know? I almost thought it is Mariko that laughed too. I want to
more than I make it. You when I'm more job.
How are you? When you're not walking, I'm not tell I compensate. I'm not going to tell you one more. Let me tell you. You're laughing. You think I'm moved by your laugh? You think? Look at. I am not moved by your laugh. If you don't know, I have encountered the laugh of Amadou. If you don't know, which is on your own. Your own. Yes.
Your cloth will red. Hey!
You're a very wicked friend.
Yellow fever.
You're a very wicked friend. You're not a very good friend. Go back and
Love me. If I hear when this girl was taking my money,
something is wrong somewhere.
Mama, it's your son I'm talking about him. Mama, please, now, Mama, let's go. Mama.
Love, my daughter.
Please, Mama.
You are disturbing me. You are disturbing my peace.
Mama, please. Mama, I'll give people. You want people to start dying. Mama, please now.
You are disturbing me.
Mama, please now. Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, please.
No, let me ask you. Am I the person that kept him there?
Mama, just want. You want people to start dying. Mama, please now. Mama, because
Love. No, let me tell you, my daughter. Even if my dead husband comes out from the road, I will not go there. Let him stay there.
Mama, let me go. See what is happening there. Let me go. Mama, let me go.
Go where? If I see your leg there.
Mama, please.
If I see your leg there.
Mama, please now. Mama, please now. Mama, please now. Mama.
Eziafa, I told you that one day revolution will come.
Now can you see it? Can you see it?
Aka, I will advise you talk to your sister. Let her marry Tenkobo for peace to reign.
Well, it is not in my jurisdiction to decide for her. I believe she's sound and ready to advocate for herself.
Okay, you are still speaking grammar. No, this one is still speaking grammar. Don't worry yourself. By the time the gods touch you, by the time something that will befall on you will befall on you, you'll be forced to speak Igbo language.
Or swap pigeon. Don't make me to remember my English. Your sister is here, lavishing and dilated with my friend's dignity. Today we put her at the point of Palestine.
Imagine. I'm even sure the girls will be confused with this English.
No, they know the English.
They know the English.
They know the English.
Okay, they use dictionary.
I beg you, forgive Eziafa. Forgive her. Look at the way people are gathered here. I heard you're the son of the gods. And it's a taboo for anyone to offend you. Please, Bikoni.
Adara, why are you begging him? Why are you begging Tenkobo? Let him do his worst now. I have said it before and I'm saying it again. If he lies, let him be the boss himself. I will not marry him. I will never.
Then, give him his money.
If you know this man, you start now falling down, begging him to come and marry you. Are you ready to return back his money? Can you give him back his money?
Ojugun 1 naira.
He did busy eating his money. Now you don't want to marry him.
Eziaha, calm down. Let us find solution to this problem. Moreover, you never told me you were befriending the son of the gods.
See, Mama, don't even try to blame me here. Do not blame me at all. How am I supposed to know that he's the son of the gods or something? How am I supposed to know? Yeah, Tenkobo, come and remove this nonsense here. Come and remove this nonsense here. I will remove this things by myself. I don't believe in any nonsense, superstitious belief. See the way you are constituting nuisance in this our compound. Come and remove this thing.
Okay, don't react, please.
Forgive this woman, she want to die now. Hey, the son of God, Eziafa, if you feel that you're a fulfilled woman with 2 breasts that is functioning on her chest, connected to her membrane, Eziafa, try to touch this thing. Try to touch this palm fruit. If you did not die, receive it. Hey! If Eziafa did not die at the touch of this thing, Eziafa, in fact, call me whatever.
Look, this is not the time to complicate issue. This is not the time to be stubborn. Why are you being stubborn? Ada, I will suggest you go and call your father now to come and talk senses into her now.
Yes, so.
You're right. You're right.
I will go and dig her grave now.
This is verbal insult. This is verbal insult.
Look at all the men can you make her touch it now. Hey! I will say touch it! I will say make it. Touch it! Touch it! Touch it! Hey! If you're a woman, make it. 80% touch it! Touch it!
I love you, die. I feel another moon a long talk about me for girlie. If I put each other,
Please wait. What is this I'm hearing about Tenkobo and Ezra for your cousin? You look pissed. Hope the girl is still alive.
See, it's better you go see for yourselves, okay? Please, just go.
Hey, the girl is dead. Something assures me that. I believe you. Do you know what it means to hold the son of the gods? Let's hurry up and go and see things for ourselves.
Yeah, my love, you're my doctor prescription. Whoa.
What is happening here, my people?
Thank God. Ezemo, thank God you are here. Tell this fool to remove this palm front before I do something stupid. But when you believe about you're waiting to here now.
Look at this baby monkey. Who do you call a fool? Son of the gods. Do you know that he has the power to curse you and your 4th generation? All of you remain useless all through your lives.
But talk to him. Sorry, talk to her. What you know, Nollywood film kind of. No, we are here to act film. Thank you. God bless you.
Who go there? Why did you allow your daughter to offend the son of the gods?
Ezemo, I didn't know he's the son of the gods.
Now that you know, what difference does it make?
Yeah, Tenkobo, don't even try to insult my mother. Don't even try it at all. No.
See, let me tell you, if I were you, I will seek for a way to calm him down. Because the Tenkobo you are seeing now has the power to do and undo. Be warned. Tenkobo, what do you want them to do for you?
If you know anything, if you want, and what the house, and go.
Okay, so because I'm taking it lightly with 2 people, you think I have time to joke with all of you? Okay, let me even involve the police in this matter. Math Makabiko, I'm for police.
Yeah, my love, you're my doctor prescription. Whoa.
Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Please come to our compound now. Okay, thank you. Mommy, leave me.
Okay, no problem. Yabi, we're here. Let the police come. What I want is either she agreed to marry me or refund every money that I spent on her. Simple as ABCD. If you like, call soldier. If you like, call Navy. If you like, call Air Force. That one is your business. Police is coming.
Yes.
No problem. We are waiting. No, we are waiting. The ghosts are waiting. Are we to wait? I said the ghosts are waiting. Okay, the ghosts are waiting. We are waiting here. Let the police come. Let them come. Let them come. Mama, she got the police. We are waiting.
I'm not going anywhere. Why would she be starting money from that boy? Whereas she knows that he doesn't want to marry the boy. Papa. That girl is a wicked girl. Allow her to suffer for her misconduct.
Papa, please don't say like this. She's more or less like a daughter to you. Papa, forget this thing now.
Wait. I have only one daughter, and that daughter is you. You understand? That girl must suffer for her wickedness. Had it been she accepted me marrying her mother, she won't be going out accepting money from me.
Hey, Papa, now I know where your grievance is coming from.
That is where
Papa, this is not the time to blame anyone. Papa, remember that what affects the eyes goes to the nose. Papa, please, I beg you.
Thank you very much. I'm not stepping on this. I'm not going anywhere.
Papa,
go!
Papa, don't do this thing. Papa, please, I beg you. Papa, please, I beg you. Papa, wait. Papa, please.
Thank you. Let me ask a question.
Is there no other lady in this large community to marry? Must it be this girl?
No, Mazi, let me ask you.
Maintain decorum. Mazi is in our midst.
Don't talk when men are talking. Look at men are talking. Don't talk.
See men. So, not the men. A man that doesn't have the money, is that one a man?
Don't
you, so the men.
Hey, don't you get up to my man like that, or you have me to contend with
Mazi, let me ask you. Can you work in Egypt and come to Imo State to collect your salary? Is it possible? This girl here, I have been taking care of this girl. All these years, I've been spending a lot on this girl. Mazi, let me now tell you. You see this clothes she's wearing? I bought it. The chain and bangle she's wearing, I bought it. There's this handbag, I bought it. Her earring that she's wearing, I bought it. Bra and pants that she's wearing, I bought it. Mazi, everything that these people have been spending in this house, it is my money. So tell me why this girl will open her mouth to tell me this nonsense. Tell me.
Men are talking. A woman like you just want to put your mouth when men are talking. But what could it have?
Mazi, let me not shock you. Let me not say the one now that will surprise you. You see all this while that I've been spending all this money on this girl. Mazi, I have not gone anywhere close to her sanctuary. Can you believe that? Embarrassing, isn't it?
No, it's too bad.
I have not gone anywhere close to her sanctuary. I have not touched this girl. Even the cap has not gone close to her sanctuary.
But have you seen the...
I don't even know how the building is. You see?
No visiting.
Yeah, at least if I visited the place, I would have knocked on the door. Mazi, I have never knocked on the door. Somebody who has been collecting all these things from me. Let me ask you, Mazi, if it were you, after spending all these things without going close to the girl, and this girl turned out to be what she is, Mazi, will you be happy? No, tell me.
It's too bad.
Are you going to be happy?
When you pay for something, you eat it. Your story is indeed pathetic. My daughter, have you been extorting money from this young man all in the name of love?
Answer him, oh! Answer the question. Mazi, let her answer you. Answer the question, oh. The question is, have you been extorting money from this man? Answer him.
Zana Jujora Jogodo. Answer him.
More than one more witness. I know how far I've gone in anyway. Let me not talk it now. Let me not talk it. I don't want to say it now.
Officer, why are you standing there like you don't know your duty again? Remove this palm front now.
Mr. Tenkobo, will you remove this palm front or I remove it myself?
Officer, if I were you, I will not interfere with this one. It is more spiritual than you think.
Officer, this is a traditional case that will be resolved by traditional rulers. So I advise that you go back to the station. If the matter is beyond us, I will let you know.
Mazi, I have heard you.
Young lady, you have to make a decision now. Before thunder will start destroying our crops in the farm.
This is my beloved cousin, eh? Make choice now, Bikono. Please, do you want us to perish? Please.
Who go there?
And
I'll advise you call your daughter because she listens to you. If all of us are deceiving her, you, the mother, will not deceive her.
And Lizzie, listen to me. I'm your mother, and I know exactly what is good for you. Tenkobo is a good man, and money is not everything. You see, it's better to marry a man who loves you than a man you love so much. Biko, Adam, please marry him. Biko, please marry him.
Ezefa, why Oma? Marry him. Huh? Take over this mother. Yeah? Marry him because I know he will be taking good care of you. If you look at the way he is complaining, he's going to take good care of you. Marry him, yeah? Why, Oma?
I've accepted.
I don't trust. Young lady, are you sure? That is not a mere promise.
No, I'm very sure it's not a mere promise. Tenkobo is my kind of man. I like his guts. He's very courageous. He's my dream man. Tenkobo, I love you. I will marry you. I'm sorry for all the love I've denied you all this while. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Tenkobo,
my brother is shy. My friend is shy. I don't have
happiness.
My love, in fact, this thing you said now is the best thing. I've been waiting for you to say this. For that reason, let me be the commissioner of your house.
Yes, sir.
I'm sure my friend in Czech is as happy as I am.
Yes.
As my best man.
Yeah.
Having said this, forgive me. For I am a sinner. I have sinned against you for crossing Omo. But for now, I'm happy.
Thank you.
Let me be the commissioner of your hearts.
Amen.
I will guide it well. In Czech, my friend, I am seeing the way he's.
I am here with
In fact, in Czech, let's remove the place.
Yeah, I get remove.
I talk here. Let's talk here. The other side there.
Boy, Brice,
hey!
I love you, die. I feel in another mula look talk about me forget. If I believe you, man, you get double. You my love girl, my doctor prescription. Then I sang with the Lunanya woman, Komeko. Love me, Asama. When you follow Nana, take up an body. Love me, Asama. When you follow Nana, take up an body. Imana, take up an
wonder shall never end though. But I didn't see anything wrong with Tenkobo. Why did she find it difficult to accept him? My sister. Girls of nowadays, hey, they want to reap where they did not sow. Probably she's waiting for a rich man that will come and marry her. See, let me tell you. But I didn't see anything wrong in wishing a rich man as a husband. But what I find it difficult in what she do is that extorting money from me is not proper. In my examination is that, thank God that it happened this way. Thank God that it happened this way.
Ada, my precious daughter, I want to talk to you.
Okay.
You see, my late father was a decent man. You've seen me. I am a no-nonsense man. You've seen how Eziafa is trying to bring the name of our family down. I want you I want you to raise the name of this family up as high it's supposed to be. This family is known to be a decent family right from our forefathers. And Eziafa want to rubbish the name. I wouldn't want you to do like her. Did I make myself right?
Yes, Papa.
Thank you very much.
Papa, you're not eating.
Adara, eat, continue.
Is it because of Eziafa?
I'm not happy. I'm not happy.
If I believe my doctor prescription.
Hello, I didn't know that you love me this much. See? And all this while you're stressing me. Okay?
Then I didn't love you. But now, the love I have for you is like miracle. I can't say how it happened. But all I know is I love you now.
As a matter of fact, I love you more.
Thank you. Otam, I want to ask you for a favor.
A favor?
Yes.
Only favor. You don't want me to do you angry or even special. Okay? In fact, you know that I am capable and willing to do anything you want me to do. Eh? Ask for anything, I'm going to do it for you. Even though you want me to go and cut you the sweetest animal in the middle of the night, I will go there. Even if you want me to go to Red Sea, divide it into two, and bring you that fish, that Jonah, that swallowed Jonah, I'll bring it. Even if you like, tell me to go and bring that cross where they crucified Jesus Christ and bring it. I'll go and bring it. Tell me to bring you the head of a president. I'll make it three.
Okay. I want you to make love to me.
You know what? I would have loved to. It's a very good one. But see, I don't want to touch you now. Okay.
Why now? You don't even know how my body wants it now.
Yes, I understand how your body is doing you now. Your body is doing you crap. You know, bring them. That is how your body is doing you. See, I said that I'm not going to touch you. Not that I will not touch you. But I'm going to touch you after our wedding. After our marriage, I'll touch you.
After our marriage?
Yes.
Is that not too long, too far?
No, it is not too far, neither is it too long. Look, this wedding we are talking about, this marriage, as I'm seeing it, is around the corner. Do you understand? After the wedding, after our marriage, I'll show you what I'm made of. Do you understand? See, let me tell you. I can't even wait for that day to come. Honestly speaking, it's much. I'm just imagining how I'm going to. You know that this year dead feet now is in town. I don't know if you have seen it. 2017 model later. Yes. Yeah, they use it out for 2020. The latest model.
My doctor prescription.
Uncle Avo. Uncle Avo member. Yes. Is it?
I come on.
Uncle Avo.
How are you?
I'm fine. Good afternoon, sir.
Sit down. Uncle.
Uncle. Thanks a lot.
God bless you.
Oh, I did not hear from you again. Or are you not enthusiastic about it again?
Aka, the weather is too hot. If you want to discuss with me, come down to my level.
Uncle, I understand.
Not to the same grammar with you.
I understand you. Uncle, what I mean is that are you not interested in marrying my mother again?
Why not? I'm so interested.
Thank you very much. Then go in and bring the bride price. See, I will give you discount because she has given birth to 2 children. I won't collect much from you. Just a token of 50,000 naira. Or do you want to price?
50,000 naira?
Yes.
It's like you are mad. But let me ask you, have you seen where a mother's bride price is paid to the son?
Uncle, see what? This is why we Africa, we don't break record. Do you know that if you pay my mother's bride price to me, I will break record. It will be over the internet. Okay, give me 30k. Let me splash it to you.
You want me to give you 30,000 naira for your mother's bride price?
Uncle, just if you had cash now, bring it later. I'll come and take your wife.
Or the entire record, get your break or Sadebe record.
Uncle.
Okay, I'm coming. 30,000 naira.
Yes.
I'm coming.
Won't you be happy if your relative break?
I've heard you. Oh, one I can near that man. Idiot, you want to come and collect your mother's bride price? So if I venture give this boy 30,000 naira for my mother's bride, she will collect. I want the night to go see her. It is my right to marry my older brother's wife.
My uncle, thank God we are here. The hunter was nearly hunted. Hey.
Aka, who is your in-law? I'm just coming from your house now. I've dropped a message with your elder sister.
Oh, you dropped a message already? That's interesting. Hope it's a good one.
Aka, stay away from my sister. I've warned you.
Look at this psychopath. I doubt you have fallen in love before. If you have, I'm sure you won't discourage this love mission. Fool! Tsunami!
There is a saying in our land that if a man doesn't behave like a madman, his family will not get him a wife. If Tenkobo had not gone extra mile, so Ezefa wouldn't have married him.
My sister, you need to see them now. They are pure definition of love birds. My cousin is now out for relationship, or do I say marriage?
Are you sure it's from her heart?
Oh, I don't know. But why would she pretend after accepting him in public? Bona?
Oh, if you say so.
Wow.
Dora, thank God you are here, please. I use God to beg you, please help me to beg your cousin brother Aka to stay away from my sister.
Ebuka, are you mad? Why are you embarrassing my guest?
Yes,
have you lost it?
Yes, I'm mad. I said it privately, but yet you refuse to listen to my caution. Now I'm saying it publicly.
Who are you to tell me who to befriend and who not to? See, Ebuka, not when you're crossing your boundary, not when you're crossing it.
I have to be on my way.
Ada, so soon. I hope you're not leaving because of what my brother said.
No. My father went to cabinet meeting at the palace, so I don't want him to come home before me, okay? Yes, I have to leave now.
Okay, let me see you off.
Easy, Nani. You go to Mama Kudre's shed.
Okay.
Tell her to give you fresh okazi leaves.
Okay.
Write it down. Fresh okazi leaves. 400 naira.
Okay.
Then what next? Stockfish, smoked fish, which one? Maybe I suggest we use smoked fish Ice fish. No, leave this boat. You know, our in-laws are coming to me and we are preparing food for the public. Yes, man. So the food has to be very delicious. Okay, write it down. Fresh accounts, fresh and stockfish. And then what again? Stockfish. Smoked fish. Smoked fish. Okay. Then buy biscuit bone. You know, I don't like beef and fatty flesh. You know that. Yes. So buy biscuit bone. Write it down.
Point of correction. It is not biscuit bone. It's biscuit bone. And for you, Ezi, don't go out there and disgrace this family with English blunder.
If I slap you, Mama, what is wrong with this boy? This boy is going crazy with all this thing that he reads all the time. Better collect this book from him, man. Collect this book from him. This boy will soon go mad, though. Collect this book from him. Can't you see that he's crazy? Please, let us continue. We don't need any distractions. You know, our in-laws, they are coming tomorrow. So we need to prepare something very delicious for them. For tomorrow. Let us continue. So here we are here. Fresh, okay, mention this one, Okaze.
Name your price. I am simple by nature. Soft touching.
Yes. My late brother's son, Tenkobo here, brought us here to officially announce to us his bride.
Yeah, once again, welcome, my in-laws.
Thank you for honoring us, our in-laws. Our people used to say, we know why we are here, and we know who we are here for. So you can officially show us your wife.
It's all right. Mazi, thank you very much. You know, like you said, so and we know why we are here. Me and my friend especially.
Yes.
This person here. I keep saying, I said, I did not know why my mother did not give birth to him. This person you see here. Oh yeah, where she boy? You
said it before.
Aye. Well, you said we know why we are here and who we are here for. We are here for.
Yes.
I will, in-law, thank you very much once again. I will officially announce my bride, like you all know. You know, I will officially announce her. I will any time or any person. In fact, if I raise her hand, it is official. Okay. Is that not so? Let me proceed.
Go see Anyi. Go see Anyi. Hey, another guy. Double T. Hey, another guy. Iko, koala. It's all movement. Hey, the luckiest woman. The luckiest woman. Oh, move one.
We all know that. Just show us. Can't go whoever.
It's like. Easy. Oh, in-law.
Professor.
I am telling you, Professor. I love the way you read.
Thank you very much, sir.
I love the way you read. You go places.
Thank you very much.
You will go very far.
Oh. I've gone already.
You've gone very far. You will go very far.
I've gone already.
I'm telling you, you go very far. You read like Herbert Cook.
Macaulay.
I am telling you. Oh, Adora.
Angel.
Adora.
Angel.
My best friend. Check me.
Huh? Angel.
This is she.
Jesus Christ.
This is my bride.
Hey, what's going on here?
This is my bride.
No.
This person here is my best friend. She was with me through ticket.
Has a reason. This is what I call lover swap. No! He has a reason.
I can't stay here.
He has a reason.
This is lover swap.
This
no!
is...
Stop!
Hey! That's you!
No, he has a reason. Tenkobo has a reason.
Swap.
Mama!
Mas, you have a reason. You have seen her.
No.
So that is it. Thank you very much. In-law, to be, would have been. Wife, would have been.
What have you just done?
No, it's all right. In-law, that would have been. This is my grain. In-law, you don't have to. You have a reason. You have a reason. You have a reason. Let's move here.
Okay, we are leaving.
Let's move here.
Mas, no, he has a reason. My friend.
Mas, check
if there's a mistake.
Check if there's remaining drink. He
has a reason. My man has a reason. He has a reason.
I love you,
God, disgrace me. Hey! What's the matter about this? Mama! That is what they could do just now. Hey!
Mama, as I'm talking to you, Mama, my mind is made up. You see, Eziafa, I have seen that me and Eziafa do not have anywhere in the future. We are not going anywhere in the future. Adora, I came to see that Adora is the best person meant for me. I came to see that Adora is the best thing that has ever happened. I was blind to notice Adora all this while. Until now, when I began to, I have seen that my future is with her and not with Eziafa. Adora is my future. She's my best friend. She's everything every good man will be looking for.
Hey, my son, honestly, I don't buy this idea. This thing you're trying to do is not right. It's wrong. What do you think that poor girl would do? What will she do? That poor girl, what will she do? What of people? What will people say?
Mama, I don't care what people will say.
Hey.
I don't care what people will say one bit. It is not my business. What matters to Mama? Mama, what matters to me now is that I have found Adora. Adorable. Look at her name. Adora. Adorable. Do you understand? She's everything I want. Eziafa and I, like I said before, do not have anywhere to go. She's a beautiful lady. She can find herself another man. What matters now is my happiness. Mama, what we should be discussing now is how to, go for Adora's hand to go and see her people. That is what we should be talking about.
Tenkobo.
Mama.
Tenkobo.
Mama.
Tenkobo.
Mama.
My son.
My mother.
It's not proper.
It's not proper to hear Kananya again. Let me hear Kananya.
What you are trying to do is what I'm saying.
What I'm trying to do?
That poor girl, what will she do?
Mama, what do you want? My happiness or my sorrow? No, let me know. What do you want? My happiness or my sorrow? If you want my happiness, follow me to Adora's place. If you want my sorrow, then follow me to Eziafa's place.
You better compare and contrast.
Papa, don't ask me to calm down. Why will he choose me? Did he even ask me if I love him or not?
You see, my daughter.
Who knows what Eziafa and her mother will be saying by now?
Calm down, my daughter. Calm down. You see, I want us to follow this issue deliberately. Right? I believe by now, Tenkobo might have seen the difference between you and Eziafa. Calm yourself down.
Papa, he did not see anything. He chose me because he wants to pay Ezia for all she has done to him.
I still disagree with you. But let me tell you, she doesn't deserve that man. Maybe if she married the man, she will still divorce him. Right? So, if you can take my advice as a father, at least as a father, I cannot deceive you. Calm down. You understand? The man might have seen the future. That is why he chose you. So, please, let's follow this issue amicably.
Papa, I'm confused right now. I don't even know what is right and wrong.
Confused? You can't be confused. I'm here.
Love me, asama, onye follow nanya na tenkobo na bogimwa. Love me, asama, onye follow nanya na tenkobo na bogimwa. Is that because I love you? Eliminate your belly.
Why did you choose me over my sister? You've been fighting tooth and nail to marry.
Yes, you are right. As a matter of fact, you're my best friend. You were always there for me, advising me even when your sister was doing things wrongly. You stood by me and you tried to make me see realities. You were not happy the way she was treating me. During this course, I started wondering, does girls like this still exist? Girls with such kind hearts? So that is the reason I chose you.
So did you consider if I have someone in my life?
Is that because I love you? Eliminate your belly. Abogeni come the me, kangalo no bigi. Wano mi friend the me, kangalo.
Oh my God, what have I done to myself?
Eziafa. Must you continue like this every day?
Mama, I've lost everything. I should have followed my heart. Give me public disgrace.
My daughter. See, the world did not end in crying. Moreover, blissful things are still in the future. My only happiness is that you are no longer guilty. So let him go. He has chosen a God to serve. What's the God?
I should have known. I should have known that other my cousin sister have an eye on my man.
Don't call her name. Remove her from this issue. You see, our people say if you blame the fly, you blame the cops. Had it been you treated that young man very well, he wouldn't have done to you in the middle of nowhere. So don't blame anybody.
Mama.
Accept your fate.
Think of Think
you
have killed me. Think you have killed me. Think you have killed me.
Accepting Tenkobo is not a bad idea. He's a good person. Don't hesitate to marry him. Don't turn down the honor he gave to you by choosing it before the public.
You mean accepting him is not a bad idea?
Yes, it's not a bad idea. In fact, if I were in your shoes, I won't think twice.
But I'm feeling guilty. You know I love my cousin so much. I feel I'm betraying her.
You didn't betray her. Rather, she betrayed herself. I wish other guys will behave like Tenkobo. Girls will not play with their intelligence. My dear, I'm solidly behind you, okay?
I am simple by nature, soft touching, handling. Simple by nature, soft touching, handling.
Up till now, I'm still in shock. You just took me unaware. What came over you?
My brother, you don't have to be in shock. Asia for wanted to show me that she's smart. She wanted to tell me that she has sense. She did not know that me, her own sense, in fact, the way I'm seeing her own smartness is like a baby that is still breastfeeding. Until Eziafa dies, Eziafa will never forget that very day.
Honestly.
Look at you.
You were a bad boy. You were a bad boy.
Very importantly, I hope you're preparing for my marriage.
You have not told me anything now. Has she accepted?
Why won't she accept? Look at you. Why won't she? See, do you know that if it was that girl that I was dealing with all this while, by now I would have been a married man with 7 children. Then all the women get 8.
By now,
I'm telling you.
Before this month, before this year now, we were hit on my new
football team.
12.
I am plan. I was wasting my time with nonsense. Is here because I'm hungry.
We don't need to shout it. Everybody know. You know, that time I don't want to say it. I want you to see it by yourself. Anyway, so when are we going to their house? The new girl you have found, the new love you found.
Okay, it's alright. I'm trying to, very soon. I know it's very soon.
Okay,
I'm trying to gather money, put money together. And see, let me tell you, my plans for this marriage. I want my marriage with that girl to be the best marriage ever.
You don't start again.
I want this marriage. When people hear it, even the deaf will rejoice. The blind will see and say, hallelujah. Long run, I watch that day. SSS. SSS. Look at it. Look at what you're wearing. Haywood.
I bought it in Haywood, close to Hollywood. So you said you want your marriage to, that is the traditional or the white, which one you want?
Marriage, just
the marriage. No,
marriage.
No, is it the traditional marriage or the white wedding marriage? Which one you want to do first?
It depends on the size of the money that I have.
Oh, you don't even have money, you're still gathering and they're thinking of money. Yeah, you want people to know, let it be talk of the town.
Look at you. That's why I'm trying to gather money.
It's okay. I
have friends that I can call.
I hope
that will give me money.
I hope you not come borrow in again. Remember what happened at that time? You say it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright.
I'm trying to consider what is going to be the color of the day.
Oh, color of the day. Depending on the people that will come that day.
That day, Bakassi is going to come. Saint Global is going to be there. Simife, Manager Gamba will be there.
Then I will also invite Ofia Fulego Noga. Then one I use Ayo will be there.
E-money.
E-money.
No, we're not going to deal with E-money. It's not our money now. I ruling as Z. So E-money is going to. I got to bottle that day.
To come and say the way ban is memoir. Then another one. Okay, yes, we have all these people now. Then I think the color of the day will be red. Red. Then again, Ishikeku Inaka. Then Banzunanya. And I got the kind like this. A man and the big, the men in the town. Men in town.
No verse. When I told you men that will come, I mentioned E-money. I mentioned Saint Global. I mentioned Bakassi. I mentioned Simife.
One are you okay? Wow, E-money. They don't know this guy to quick.
I didn't mention Atakata Abo of Okeja. I didn't mention any deity. I didn't mention Ndoboni. Which one is red and red? Everywhere red and red.
No, I'm on Eke and the motherfucker man and men of their region. Even everybody will start leaving.
In fact, that one will not have color. About you.
No, let's do it.
Don't have color
in our mind. You know, you started the color
to put color.
So if instead of you to go and do your wedding normal, then you ask no.
Okay, what's the color?
No color.
No color.
Talk of money and whether they then who do the planning. Who will be your event planner? Because I do event planner.
You event planner?
No, I was doing it in the
trying to minus all the whole money that I borrowed.
If I put it all man, you get double. You love you, my doctor prescription. Then the nasa with a lunanya bumane come. Love me, asama. When you follow Nanya, na think about na body. Love me, asama. When you follow Nanya.
Oh my goodness, Ebuka, you scared me.
I thought you are bold enough.
Ebuka, don't try this again before I develop health issue.
Have I not told you to stay away from my house? Do you know I can kill you and nobody will ask me why?
Ebuka, please, I came in peace. You know I'm not troublesome. You know, please, I love your sister. Don't prevent me from loving her now.
Have I not asked you to stay away from my sister? Do you know I can kill you here and nobody will ask me why?
Ebuka, the last time I checked, you are not an assassin. So, when did you turn one now?
Don't let me mad and do something stupid.
Ebuka, you are not a stupid one now. Okay, but see, tell your sister that I love her with passion. I love her.
Get out. Mind you, next time I see you around this compound, I'm going to do something stupid. And you are going to regret waking up from sleep that day.
But don't fail to tell her. I love her with passion.
You are very stupid.
I love your sister.
If I put it all man, you get double. You love you, my doctor prescription.
Yeah, Adam.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mom. How are you?
I'm fine.
Go and polish you. I want to talk to you.
I love you, die. I feel like another moon, I long talk about me for getting. If I put it all man, you get double. You love you, my doctor prescription.
Ada is my precious daughter. My people say that you can take a goat to the stream, but you cannot force the goat to drink the water. I want to know your stand on the issue at hand.
Papa, I don't understand. What issue are you talking about?
I'm talking about the issue of Tenkobo. Are you marrying him or not? So that I can send words across, maybe for him to look for another woman.
Yes, Papa. I will marry him.
You will marry him? Have you told him?
Papa, I've told him he's coming with his people very soon.
Oh, but you've not told me so that I can prepare for them well.
Papa, he asked me not to inform you. He will come inform you officially.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay. I'm okay. My happiness is for me to know your stand, and I've gotten what I want.
Thank you, Papa. Let me go get broom and sweep the compound.
Okay, my daughter.
Okay. Thank you.
Is that because I love you? Eliminate your belly. Abogeni kangeme, kangalo no bigi. Wano mi bende me, kangote lover. Name your price, me melody. Name your price, I can me. I am simple by nature, soft touching, handling. Simple by nature, soft touching, handling. Because you're man of my baby. It got my show woman, but then go back, baby. You know one, oh, be the monko. If I tell you love for you, I'm be no we will. Oh, be the uncle. Imani, baby, I go bed double biggie. I sang what I know, what I want you, I know. I sang what I know, what I want you, I know. Think of one back. You press a moon, but I need my mama. I love you, die. I feel in another moon, I long talk about me for Gilly. If I put it all man, you get double. You love you, my doctor prescription. Nenu na sang wetalo na nyabu mwane komeko. Love ma, asama. Onye follow na nyana tenka bona baduma. Love ma, asama. Onye follow na nyana tenka bona baduma. Imana tenka bona wiwe. Obidi oku. Iba fuma chisi no uroku. Imana tenka bona wiwe.
Good afternoon, brother. Please,
I'm looking for Tenkobo's house. Oh, one day. You know, check Tenkobo. Yes, Tenkobo. Okay, about the go like this now. By the left. Over the cabana, when you just branch about George.
Mba Street.
Yes. By my left. Yes, one they play football. Yes, there is like a open place there. Just Joram and Tenkobo. One.
Is that because I love you? Eliminate your belly. Abogeni come to me. Kangalo no biggie.
My name is Ken. I'm not from this village. I'm looking for Tenkobo, but somebody directed me that his house is around there. Please, do you know the place?
Oh, yes, yeah, I know him. I know his name. I know his house. So.
Okay, you know this place?
Yes, I know
please,
this place.
I want you to show me their place.
I hope there is no problem.
There is no problem. I want to see him. Tenkobo is my very good friend.
I hope all is well.
All is well.
Are you assuring me that?
Tenkobo will be very, very happy to see me. If you know the place, just take me their place.
Okay, I know the place.
You can come in, you can enter the car so you can take me to the place.
Okay, no problem.
Name your price, melody. Name your price. I can make. I am simple by nature, soft touching, handling. Simple by nature, soft touching, handling. Because you're man of my baby. It got my show woman, but then go back, baby. You know one, oh, be the moko. If I tell you love.
Why is he running?
I don't know. Perhaps maybe for a security reason. Excuse me, let me go and come. Tenkobo, why did you run?
Are they gone?
They? Where are they? Do you want to tell me that you are not expecting any visitor?
I am not expecting anybody. I am sure Israel has sent assassins to come and kill me. You don't know that girl. That girl can do undo. That girl is so heartless. You know, lie down before all these flying bullets will get at you.
Tenkobo, leave me alone. Nobody is here to kill you. It's your friend Ken. He came all the way from city to see you.
Ken? No, that cannot be Ken. As we speak, Ken is not in the country, so that cannot be Ken.
Come and see him. Let's go and see him.
Are you sure it is not assassin?
No.
Because as I'm talking to you, I don't want to die. You know my traditional marriage is around the corner. If they kill me, if I die, my Adora will not be okay.
Trust me now, will I deceive you? Let's go.
I go bed double. I sound like what I know, what I want you I know. I sound like what I know, what I want.
Get cover! Get cover! Never mind, you're stuck in the room. Get! Come and sit, come and sit, come and have a seat. Come and sit, you. Come and have a seat, come and have a seat. Come on, let me take. Ben, sit, you can't sit. Sit. Hey! Look at you! Ken! When did you come back from Ghana?
Which one is Ghana? Look at how plenty you're looking. You even pierce your ear. Do you know that if I'm looking behind you and I think it's a need and I'm begin to, you know,
Can you stop? Tenkobo, I did not return from Ghana. The connection flight I took passed through Ghana. I did not come back from Ghana. I came back from USA, Obodo Yibo. You will not insult me. You are indirectly insulting me.
You will not blame me. Don't blame me because I am acting according to information that I heard. You know, the information said you went to Ghana. Don't blame me, my brother. Look at you. Hey!
I have missed you a lot.
I have missed you, my brother. Huh?
Also, what's the reason why you saw me and you are running?
My brother, if I tell you the reason I ran away, you will identify with me. You know, my traditional marriage is around the corner. Do you understand? So I said, anything that will cause catastrophe, anything that will prevent this marriage from happening, you know, as a result of affection. No, let me run away from it. Because if anything affects me, if I die, my woman will not live. She will kill herself. You know, they say a stitch in time saves 9. Yeah, right. You know, so let me save 9 before we have actually 18 minutes. Thank you.
My friend, my
Wait, Ken. Lest I forget. Please, this car. Did you in any way branch in Chief Ogodumegu's house before coming to this place? Because this car looks like one of the cars in his compound.
Tenkobo, you are insulting me. Tenkobo, are you indirectly insulting me or are you insulting me? Are you trying to say I borrowed the car to this place?
No, not like, I'm not trying to say you borrowed the car. I am only saying that this car looks like one of his cars.
Tenkobo,
you know,
this is your car. Tenkobo, I got this car for you. When I wanted to send it to you, I was calling your number, but your number was not connected. Tenkobo, this is your car.
The truth of the matter is that, you know, when the sun is too much like this, I don't used to hear very well. I used to have hearing problem. So please, can you repeat yourself? Let me understand what you said.
This car belongs to you.
You say?
This car belongs to you. In fact, this is the car key. Tenkobo, this is your car key.
You know, I used to have I'm short-sighted. Please say, is this a car key?
Tenkobo is a car key.
Is a car key?
Yes.
Tenkobo, the God you serve have remembered you.
This is a car key.
Yes. Tenkobo, this car belongs to you.
This is a car key.
Yes. Tenkobo.
I want to faint. Can you hold me?
Please don't faint. First, where is Mama? Is she around? Let me go and call. She needs to see this.
Tenkobo, you've not even offered me cola. Give me palm wine. Hey! Is there any beer parlor around here? Tenkobo, I want to spoil your day.
So, Ken, you are trying to say that you have made me a car owner overnight.
Tenkobo, let's go. Let me drive you. It's still your car, Sha. Let me drive you. Tenkobo, let's go and drink. Tenkobo, I want to change your life.
I don't have life. Say you want to give me a life.
You go to Babin Salon, Kishevo. Tenkobo, you need to look fresh. Your friend, Ken, is back. Tenkobo, follow me. Are you still there? Should I go?
I'm there.
Let me your price, melody.
Let
me your price. I am simple by nature.
Can you drive?
Soft touching, handling, simple by nature.
It's
soft touching, handling. Because you're like baby. My show.
Okay, my sister, God bless you. You can go to your house. Thank you very much.
That my leg is paining me.
Papa, please don't allow your kinsmen overload Tenkobo with my bride price list. You know you don't have much.
I am there now. They can't do that. Meanwhile, they don't finish marrying a woman. If he can do the ones he can do now, the remaining one can be done after. And that one will not hinder him from taking you home as a wife.
Okay.
Oh?
Yes, Papa.
Don't worry, Mom.
Papa.
Who is after you?
No, Martin. Papa, no one is after you. Hey.
I came to inform Adora that Tenkobo now has a car.
Also,
which Tenkobo are you talking about?
Wait, I don't understand. Do you mean my own Tenkobo?
Yes. Yes, I'm talking about your Tenkobo.
God have remembered him.
Did you see him inside car, or maybe somebody told you?
Papa, I saw him in a car with a man when I was going home to deliver the message my mother sent me. When I got home, his mother is already in our house discussing with my mother. Then Love, his sister, ran in with the good news. She said a friend of his from overseas visited him and gave him a new brown car with other goodies, which she did not mention to us.
My God has answered me.
I think I told you that. I told you that God does not speak.
Now I know that God works in a mysterious way.
My prayers on you are on you.
Yes, Papa. Yes, Papa.
Hey!
Don't keep here. I'm so happy for you.
Chief did not settle you. Tenkobo, because of this, I will give you 5 million naira. Tenkobo, you are like a brother to me. I remember back then, you were so nice to me that sometimes I wonder if you are my blood brother. Tenkobo, I will give you 5 million naira to start up your life. Plan your wedding with that woman. I'm going to China, Tenkobo. I'm going to import goods from China. I want you to manage my business here in Nigeria. If I'm importing things, you'll be selling. The profits, share it into 2. Take 1 and give me 1. Tenkobo, you don't need to suffer again.
Don't be angry, Ken. Were you talking to me?
Tenkobo, is the 5 million naira too small? Okay, because of that, I'll make it 10 million naira.
Please. Wait. Were you actually saying that you will give me 5 million naira? Were you referring to me?
Tenkobo, call your account number, let me send it. It's your cash. Hey! You want it cash? My book. I will give it to you.
Okay, please don't be angry. Do you know where I can find God, man? I want to spray him money. This God is too good. I want to spray him money. And mint too. I want to spray God mint. Hey! Oba! You said you're going to give me 5 million naira. Do you know what, Ken? Ken, please, do you know any psychiatric house? Let me go there and cool off for 6 months. Because you have made me mad now.
Tenkobo, I have made the money. When nobody go me, the kind of money I have now, I'm looking for who to share it to. One day, money they worry me. Tenkobo, I want to give you money. I want to change you. I want to change you. Look at your color. You are a fair guy, I know, but look at now, you're black. Tenkobo, I'm seeing poverty. Tenkobo, you need to leave this country. One day, if I go to China, once I'm back, I'm taking you to China with me.
Ken, you are right, though. Brother, if you see what I have seen, in fact, as I'm talking to you, I'm not the one here. The person that is here now is suffering. You said you're going to give me 5 million naira and take me to China. Ken! Hey! Oba! I have... No, in fact, Oba, we have made it. Child! Do you know what? Please, this year, if you have any psychiatric, make it 2. Because this madness now, the way I am, this madness now, one psychiatrist cannot cure me. I need like 2 psychiatrists to attend to this my madness.
Start giving me names of people that insulted you in this village. Tenkobo, I came back with money. You are my friend. My money belongs to you. I'm making my bank account. Should I transfer the ownership of my account to you?
I may not know how to use it.
Tenkobo, you're going to China with me once I'm back.
Ken, that when you're going to China, you're going to give me this car.
Look at
now I am, in fact, modest. That is what is affecting me now. Do you know what? I'm overfed. I'm not interested in this.
Tenkobo, if you don't want to drink your drink, that means forget about everything I told you.
I will drink and chop the bottle. Please,
Obi Dumoko, defend Jalabo love for Abobi in a wee Obi Dioko, Imani Yabobi, I go bed double biggie. I sang what I know, what I want you I know. I sang what I know, what I want you I know.
Hey, Adora, is this you?
It's me.
You're looking very beautiful now. You've really changed.
Thank you. How are you doing?
I'm okay. How is Tenkobo, your husband?
Fine.
Hope you all are fine.
Yes,
I can see that. It's on you. I'm really happy to see you. Everyone is fine, no?
I'm happy too. So, you came to the market,
Yeah,
right?
I came to buy something.
Okay.
And I guess you as well.
Yes.
Okay. We'll see some other time. Take care of yourself.
Okay.
I'm happy to see you.
Okay.
With your family for me. Take care of yourself. Bye. Hey. Is this not Adora? See how big she is. Oh, Madia. How are you doing? Adobe, I'm fine. You came to the market? Yes, so I came to buy something. What are you looking at there? Adora. I saw Adora just now. If you see how this girl is looking, very beautiful. Are you serious? Things have really changed for this girl. Hey, thank God for her. Really thank God though. I just pray that very soon our own turn comes in. I want to buy something inside the market. Okay, I wanted to buy something here. Okay, man. Greet your family for me. No problem. Adora!
Is it Alpha?
Adora, my sister.
Hey, is it Alpha? How are you doing?
Adora!
Stop crying. I went home and Mama said you're in your husband's house. What's happening?
Adora!
Stop crying. Stop crying. It's okay. Don't cry. Stop it. Scream your tears. It's fine. Stop it now. Stop it. See, we need to talk. You need to come with me. Let's go. We need to talk. Okay, see, I know what to do. Just hold on. I know what to do. Don't cry.
Look at my little cousin Azara. God. Oh my God, God, why is my life like this? Oh my God!
So, how's your husband?
My husband is at home. He's down with stroke.
My wife told me she saw you selling palm nuts. I almost did not believe her.
Adora is right. She saw me selling nuts. Ever since your marriage with Adora, shame didn't allow me, could not allow me to stay in the village any longer. All I wanted was to leave the village, leave the house for my mom. And to settle down with, this time around, I wasn't looking out for quality or status of a man. All I wanted is to settle down because I was so hungry for marriage. I was so hungry for marriage. I
That was why I married a jobless man. His family members are the ones that sponsored our marriage. Yeah, I said I'm not. That's what I do these days. To put food on the table for my husband. I'm our only child.
Ezeofa, speak no more. It's okay. It's fine.
This is quite sympathetic, I must confess. However, you don't have to cry yourself to stupor. Relax yourself. Till tomorrow, you're still my best friend. Whatever thing that happened for a reason. If not because of what happened, I wouldn't have discovered my wife here. As a matter of fact, this is the best gift you ever gave to me. Having said that, I am truly sorry for the position you found yourself. Such is life. In this regard, I have decided to give you 2 million naira so that you can set up a good life for yourself and your husband.
Chai, God bless you, Tenkobo. 2 million naira.
And as for your husband's hospital bills, I'll take care of it till it's better.
Oh my God. Adora. Tenkobo. Is this not too much for a day? God bless you.
It's fine. The day has changed yesterday. It's okay. It's fine.
It's alright. Cry no more. Nothing has changed. The most important thing is that you have access to take care of your husband. I will not go back in my vow, and I'm sure my wife will not go back in her own vow. So it means a total change for you. Things happen for a purpose, things happen for reasons. So I'm sure with 2 million naira and the assistance from my wife regarding to your husband's hospital bills will ease plenty pains.
Oh my God.
It's okay. It's fine.
Alora, look at me.
It's fine. Stop crying. Stop crying. It's okay.
Afamubu tenkabo wapaka. Chukwesemu no oboda inine mama. I love you die. Afalanginanya. Anara muna lang talk bami fogeli. If I been chalungwa nenyegi adabo. Yamala forgi you're my doctor prescription. Obodo nenu na samwetalo na nyabunwa nekomeko. Nenu nwa mwetalo na nyabunwa bugomo. Love ma, asama, onye mfulu nanya na tenkabo na boginwa. Love ma, asama, onye mfulu nanya na tenkabo na boginwa. Is that because I love you? Eliminate your belly. Abogeni kam geme, gangolo no bigi. Wano mi fenge me, gango te lover. Name your price, me melody. Name your price. I got a man. I am simple by nature, soft touching, handling. Simple by nature, soft touching, handling. You could share my love for my baby. You got my show, woman, but take up a wapaka, baby. You wanna want me? Oh, be the moko. Different child of love for you. I'm Bobby in a wee way. Oh, be the uncle. In my ninja, Bobby, I go bed double biggie. I sang what I know, what I want you to know. I sang what I know, what I want you to know.